In this lesson, we will talk about how to work with the file manager. The file manager is a repository for images, documents, audio recordings, and videos that you upload and send to users via SendPulse. Each service has its own storage folder in the respective section. In the file manager, you can upload, rename, and delete files, as well as create folders. To open the file manager, click File Manager in the menu on the left. On the right, you will see the structure of the created folders. This folder is the main one for all services. To go to a subfolder, expand the main folder and click on the desired folder. When you click on a folder, the files and subfolders it contains are displayed on the right. To quickly find a folder or file, use the search bar in the upper right corner. Files can be displayed in two views, gallery or list. If you want to preview files visually, select the gallery view. If you need additional information such as file size or upload date, choose the list view. Each folder displays the total size of its files and the date the last file was added. To create a new folder, go to the directory where you want to create it and click New Folder. Check where the folder will be created, name it, and click Create. To upload a file, go to the directory where you want to upload it and click Upload Files. The size of a single file must not exceed 5 GB. You can upload files of any format and use them in the website builder for the image, video, audio, and file elements. For course covers and certificates, you can use only images in these following formats. If you need to delete or rename a file or folder, click the three dots in the upper right corner of the item and select the required action from the context menu. When working with a file, you can also preview it by clicking the View button or download it to your device by clicking Download. All previous actions with files can be viewed in the History tab. For each event, you will see the manager's name, the date and time when the action took place, and the folder involved. If a file or folder was renamed, both the new and the previous names will be available.